Yanchep to Jurien Bay, what a beautiful stretch of Western Australia coast. Day 32 was a touristy drive between camps where we could have spent extra time in many places. First stop today was Lancelin Sand Dunes. We had so much fun climbing up and down the dunes, watching the sandboarders and the four drives doing donuts. The shanty township across from Wedge Island is called Grey. It's technically an illegal squatting settlement on Crown land. We walked through the streets and realised between the dunes were hundreds of shacks. There were a couple of cars, but we saw no people. Kind of felt a bit abandoned, but also like you were being watched. Grey has its own access down to the beach, where we went for a lovely walk. Last stop before camp were the Pinnacles. The 1.6k Desert View Walk took us through the dunes where thousands of yellow limestone pillars stood, some up to 5 metres tall. Our next 2 nights were at Sandy Cape Campground, just north of Jurien Bay. The sheltered bay was calm, and with the weather improving, we enjoyed the sun, the sand and the beach. In the morning we walked up to the dune lookout. On one side of the lookout was a surf beach and the other was the calm bay. In the afternoon, Micah spent a bit of time teaching Grandpa how to use his snorkel, preparation for the Ningaloo. Micah had been hanging out for the warm enough weather to do his lap haircut. Afterwards, he kept running away from Grandma, who was trying to wrap up his hair. Thanks for watching. Join us next time when we leave Sandy Cape and head to the stunning Kalbarri.